y'all? It's a girl, Demarije. I don't know why I'm laughing. But anyways, it's a girl, Demarije, aka MJ, and I am back with another video. Okay. Now, today I'm doing a quick review on this company called BabyTashFashion. Y'all can already see the box is pink. The logo is beautiful. Listen, I'm gonna be frankly honest with everything. I ain't gonna hold back nothing. But anyways, come with me so I can show you everything that was in the package. First off, this package, sis, you need to change that package. I love it, because you're my friend, but I gotta be honest with you. The package was a little too ghetto. It was a little too raggedy, you feel me? So you know what, we need to work on the package, and the only way we could help you work on that package is if we buy your product. I understand that, so we're gonna be doing that. Okay, now the bag that's inside the package, I love it. Yes. Okay, maybe you could just put that bag in an actual box and not the pink bag, you know what I mean, just to make it look cute. But I love how you put your logo on the bag, the website of your company. Like, I just love it, and it's baby, Tash, lingerie and hair, period. Okay, now inside that bag, I ain't gonna lie, that little saran wrap right there, was kind of like, oh, okay, what is that? But when I look on the inside, I realize, okay, it makes sense. But then again, like I said, in the future, make it more presentable. I love how everywhere I look in your order, like in your order package, I seen your logo. Like, I look to the right, your logo was there. Bam! I love it. Now, y'all, look at this thing right here in this little crystal. I don't know what that is, but it's beautiful. I love it. I like the little bow with the little burr. They call me big something big. I love it, girl. I love it. Keep it up. And I like how you put your business card in the box. That's like one of the most important things. Yes, Baby Tash Fashion, lingerie and hair, baby. I love it. I love the little decoration you did inside. I love everything that's in the box. Listen, I still have this box till this day. You understand? I like the little paper decoration you put inside. I love it. Look at this, y'all. Tell me I'm lying. I mean, if you think otherwise, like if you beg to differ, you could leave your opinion in the comment or whatever. But look, and not only did she, put lashes inside the box, you understand, she even put like eyeliners, right? That's the name of it. Anyways, y'all get what I'm saying, and she put 2 eyeliners, and I love that about her, so good presentation from the inside. Remember that the outside, we need to work on that a little bit. Okay, now, so I'm showing y'all a little set of what was in the box and stuff like that. Whenever you get your little Baby Tash Fashion box, you know what's in there. Now we're going through the box because there's nothing. Oh, never mind. She wanna be extra. She's leaving this low. I don't know what that thing called, but she's leaving that for you, so you could, I don't know what, brush your lashes. I don't know, something. But girl, thank you. Now we're gonna just go step by step so I could show you exactly what those little products are. Okay. First off, we're gonna start with the eyeliners, right? That's how. Listen, if I get it wrong, just leave whatever name it is in the comment, cause I'm gonna pop the eyewear. But anyways, I love it because once you're done with your lashes, you're gonna need that little swirl, that little bird wing, next to your eye, and she's giving it to you. My favorite one is this pink one right here. Oh my gosh, You guys, I don't really like pink, but it's pink. It has glitter on it. Girl, you need to hook me up. This I love. I will definitely buy this because it looks cute. You guys, here comes the moment of truth. Okay? Let's take a deep moment to just analyze these lashes real quick. If you're one of those people who like these type of lashes, you need to get that right now from the website. Okay? Because me personally, I ain't gonna wear it because that's not my style. Just saying. And then there's this other one too. These ones look like the singular lashes. I don't know. I'm just speaking out of my head. But if you're one of those people who like those little singular lashes, this one is for you. Me, I like my lashes to stay simple. I don't like all that extravagant stuff. I don't know. But I know some of y'all lemonites out there that be having those damn long lashes in your damn eye. Well, these lashes is for you. Okay? And you know what? I'm gonna give 2 free giveaway. Okay, if you want one of these, inbox me and I'm gonna send it to your house, baby. And what I like about this one right here is because it has a mirror inside. Like, I love it. Like, it's cute. So now let's kindly put everything back in the box, and then we're gonna get our, little stuff done or whatever. But that's everything. That's everything. Now, the business card, I'm not going to talk about it yet because I want to put the lashes in my eyes first now. Okay? So, anyways, this is the lashes that I like, you guys. So, that's what we're going to use today to complete my little makeup look. I didn't really do nothing. Because I was going to do a TikTok video or whatever. There's no music. Why am I dancing? What the... Bruh. Anyways, so here I am, just putting my lashes, glue on there. She didn't put any glue in the box, but it's okay because I know some people, they like the clear glue, they like the black glue. Me, I like black glue because the clear glue sometimes, it gets, I don't know, I just don't like the clear one. Anyways, if you like the clear one, let me know in the comment and let me know why. But let's just fin it up. Yeah, a kiss for you. Anyways, y'all, I'm just, go ahead, finning it up. And oh my gosh, I'm such a mess, y'all. Yo, I'm at 8 minutes and y'all listening to my voice just talking those gibberish. Anyways, keep finning it up. That's how you do lashes. If you don't know how to put any lashes on, don't ask me because, child. Oh, yo. Oh, my God. Listen. I can't. You guys. Do you guys see the magic? Do y'all see me? You see me? Bro, yo, listen. This is the reason why I chose that lashes. It looks natural. Okay? It's sitting in my eyes like God gave it to me. Okay? And you know what? Listen. Tash, I don't know what you're doing, but that lashes right there, you need to put more of that lashes on your list because, baby, thank you. You've done... Yo, listen, I am lost of word. I don't know if y'all saying what I'm saying. Baby, like, yo, I am the wife of the next king. Okay? You're looking at the wife of the next president. Oop. I didn't say that. But y'all, listen, I love it. And now it's time to get into business. I am definitely recommending this one right here from the box. Okay? And I'm talking about those young ladies out there that love to be simple. Nothing too extra, whatever. So now we're gonna get to business and just introduce her whole business in full because she came in full. She delivered, baby. She delivered. I mean, look at me. You come in big, something big. Anyways, what am I doing right now? I feel like I'm looking for the business cards. Oh, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. I'll be back. Hold on. I'm still looking for it. Alright, I find it. Hold on. Alright. So that's the business card right there. But anyways, so yeah. So she got those lashes in the box. Okay, the one that I had just show y'all, and then she has the other one. Y'all could choose whatever lashes you want to choose, but I've already told y'all which one is my favorite, and y'all can see how I look too. Okay, now with her business card, let's start with, hold on. All right, let me put this one down. They come in people, something people. All right, so let's start with this one. In the back here, it says BabyTashFashion Lingerie and Hair, and she has her her email actually, which is BabyTashLadiva@gmail.com. I'm gonna leave all the information in the bottom for y'all, okay? And it also says in French, meilleure qualité à bas prix. Okay, the best quality in a low price. Well, at a low price. Whatever genre anglais as in pas foot connaît. But anyways, but yeah, y'all can follow her on Facebook, BabyTashFashion, Instagram, BabyTashFashion, Snapchat, BabyTashLadiva, and her WhatsApp number as well. Okay, I'm gonna leave all those information for you in the bottom. All right, I love y'all. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Press on the ring bell, whatever, and I'm out, y'all. I'm out. Peace out. Bye.